Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really neat device. This is not your grandpa's walking stick. This one here is actually multi-purpose. So this does function as a walking cane. Not just for the elderly anymore though. If you're out hiking, camping, this would be fantastic. It does have adjustable feet on the bottom to kind of traverse that terrain that you happen to be out on the trail. But at only 1.6 pounds, this does not weigh that much. This is solid aluminum on this guy, and it is adjustable. So you do have multiple adjustments for height so that you can poke that button in and adjust it to whatever height that you need to, lock it in place, and now you're able to use it as a walking stick. It does come with a nice carrying bag if you're going to be taking it out traveling with you. So you undo this strap, and it actually folds out into a seat, which is a really neat design. How they've got this design here, it actually tri-folds itself out only in one direction, and then you can actually sit on it and actually take in that view. You've got a nice little hand rest here so you can lean forward on this, take a deep breath, really enjoy it. Again, if you're elderly, this gives you some place to put your hands and to rest and kind of lean forward into this thing, which is really nice to be able to hold on to that. And then whenever you're done, just simply stand up off of this, and this will collapse back down and reseal back up, and then you're back to having your walking stick again, all in one place. I really do like the fact that it's got these bottom things on here. They have little grippers on the bottom that do automatically adjust, and I can easily see how if you're out any kind of terrain that is not exactly where it's supposed to be, those will kind of fold around rocks and different things like that, and that tripod design, it makes for a really nice walking stick.